Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at this 2018 Nautique GS20. This GS20 offers seat in the back, which is nice and easy to get your boards on, as well as a JL audio head unit here in the rear. You can adjust your tunes from the water. Inside here we have a wraparound bench, this GS20. It's a gray interior with white accents and blue roping. We have two JL audio speakers here on the side and a phone charging port. Got a few cup holders as well on the other side. Another JL audio speaker, more cup holders, grab handles. Here at the helm, we have a 12.4 link pan array system. You can do everything from here, control the music, control the wake, everything. You can hook up a Bluetooth to it, hook up your phone, GoPro, everything. We have a nice little control there, which if you don't want to use the touchscreen, you can use that and control everything you need to. It's a 12-person boat. There's two heat vents here at the bottom that are pull out, which is nice in those cold, chilly days. Here we have a nice area in here. There's a head unit behind here, charging ports. It's water sealed, airtight. No water can get into your cell phones. Underneath this seat is storage and a subwoofer. Moving to the bow, we have a nice wraparound seating, cup holders, more speakers. This is a great boat. Up top on the tower we have two JL audio speakers, the bimini which folds up nicely, and board racks. Again, my name's Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. We currently have our year-end blowout going on. This boat's on sale. It's ready for its new owner. Stop by or give me a call. Again, Dan Pergett with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Thanks.